Okay, hello, Professor. This is me recording my presentation for today. I will get better at this, I promise. But I just want to go through this pretty quickly. So, I started with, of course, problem 1, and I was told about a company that is planning to manufacture something. So I just started with what I knew in order to create an equation. So I knew the daily cost, fixed cost, was $400. The daily total cost was, of course, $5,800, and the company produced about 20 boards per day. So I just thought, okay, if I subtract the fixed cost from the daily cost, I would end up with the true cost produced per day divided by the total amount of boards produced. So about $270 per day is used in order to create 20 boards. So I wrote that out as an equation with C of X equaling $400, the fixed cost, plus 270 times X to represent the number of days. I'm just gonna flip the page here, okay? So again, I just thought if I have 5,400 as the total cost and I need to make 45 boards, then it'd be about $120 a day to produce. I did that by simple division. For the next problem, we were asked if the owner wanted to keep the cost a certain amount. So I took that total amount, $7,555, minus by the fixed cost. Kind of did the same thing I did, but I cross multiplied with the ratio of $400 for fixed costs and $20, 20 boards for the number of boards. And I got that you could produce, for example, at a company, 375 boards for that amount. Okay. Now for problem 2, this was an equation of a line. I did the simple slope intercept form that I was familiar with. And I got y equals 2 over 5x minus 3. Sorry about the paper. My printer is also broken. This was a day. Okay. Okay, so for the local minimum and maximum, I'm actually confused about this. I'm coming to your office hours tomorrow for number 3 in general on this presentation. Only because I want to make sure I understand maximum and minimum, but I just did the points I saw on the graph. Don't worry, this will come, I will attach this as well. And then the same thing for B and C, just the points I saw on the graph that were minimum, maximum, decreasing, increasing. And for C, I have a question about this actually, about any sort of f of x that's below 0. I wanted to make sure this meant just the below the y-axis, and I put the points that were for that graph. But yeah, I have questions. I will ask tomorrow. Tomorrow I have the chance to actually come to lecture, so even if I don't see you exactly in lecture, I will come to your office hours. Then for 4, I did the simple sort of plugging and checking. I had a question about D, but I'm almost sure that's correct. Let's hope. But I have a question about D, about making sure I understand the solutions. And then the same for E and F. So please critique this video as much as you can. I know that you're grading for completeness and not correctness, but still would like to correct myself. And then if this format does not work well, please let me know as well. Thank you, Professor. Bye-bye.